Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Today's video is the Glossybox September review and it just literally came through the door this second, so I haven't even looked inside yet. I believe this month's theme is like spa, self-care kind of theme, so I am really looking forward to this because I absolutely love like pamper nights, baths, anything self-care I really love. So I'm very excited to unbox this for you today. As you guys know, I am a Glossybox ambassador, but I'm not told to say anything. I'm not paid for this video, and all of my first impressions and opinions are my own. The good thing about being a Glossybox ambassador is I actually do have a discount code for you. I'll leave my link and discount code down below so that you guys can get some money off if you do want to treat yourself to your first ever Glossybox. So without further ado, let's just get straight on into the September 2020 box. So the boxes always come beautifully gift wrapped. You can actually do a gift subscription, so you can obviously gift it to somebody for Christmas or a birthday. I think they're such a lovely gift idea. It's also really nice just to gift yourself as well, because you never really know what you're going to get in the boxes. Unless you obviously watch loads of unboxing videos, you're always surprised when it comes through the door every month. So it doesn't actually look like I've got a little leaflet in this month. Usually we do have like a little leaflet so that I can tell you the RRP and everything, but I don't have one this month, so I'm just gonna have to kind of guess. I will put all the information down below, and I'm sure you can Google the products and find out like the RRPs and stuff. So the first item that has literally blown my mind is this little extra this month, this Lindor chocolate, and this is exactly what I need right now. I've had a full morning of filming, so I am absolutely desperate for a snack. So I'm really excited for this. I absolutely love Lindor chocolate. So that's a really nice touch for Glossybox to put that as an added extra in this month, just as a little treat. So starting with the main products now inside the box, we sometimes have like some sample sizes, sometimes have full size. I usually know whether things are full size or sample size because of the leaflet, but I obviously don't have that this month, so do bear with me. The first item is Mind Tan Exfoliating Scrub. I've worked with Mind Tan before and I absolutely love them. I love their branding, and this is no different. How gorgeous is that little heart on the front? So this says it's an exfoliating coffee scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. So this is just one of those items that are perfect for having in your bathroom, having by the side of the bath, just for when you need to scrub off old fake tan. I actually went swimming yesterday and have the worst patchy tan, so I feel like the chlorine's also started to like make it break up and go really dodgy, so I'll be using this today. So the next item is something I'm so excited to see in this box because I recognize the branding straight away. It's the Wishful skincare line. I believe this is by Huda Beauty, but don't quote me on it because I've seen it, I believe I've seen it on her Instagram. It's the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, and how gorgeous is that packaging? I absolutely love enzyme scrubs. Can't wait to use this. Let's get the seal off. Oopsie. Ooh, smells lovely. Smells really fresh, that does. It's a pineapple enzyme, it says, which is so exciting. If you guys do watch my unboxings regularly, you'll know that I always get way more excited by any kind of skincare than makeup. And this is obviously no different. It looks absolutely stunning. Can't wait to use this. The next item is Intensive Skin Therapy by Ameliorate. And my friend was actually talking about this brand the other day, saying how amazing they are. So this is super exciting. It's dermatologist approved, which is brilliant. I believe that this is a hand cream. Oh no, it says you can use it anywhere. But I will definitely be using this as a hand cream. I do have flare-ups of a skin condition. Don't ask me what it is. I think it's like eczema on my hands, but I always get it in water. I was actually swimming yesterday and it did flare up again. So this is going to be absolutely perfect just to rehydrate my hands and make sure that they're really intensively moisturized. So I'm really excited to use this. Loving the like self-care vibe of this month. The next product, as I said, I don't have the card with me. I don't have one in my box for some reason this month, but I know it's worth such a lot of money. The Avant Skincare, Avant skincare range is such an expensive range. We've had some in Glossybox before, and actually this is the hyaluronic vitamin C, supreme hyaluronic acid, antioxidizing duo and moisturizer. 50 mils in there, so it's quite big. And I know, as I said, for a fact that this is a very expensive brand. So super exciting to see this in Glossybox again. It says apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum. So obviously goes without saying, hyaluronic acid is very, very good and nourishing for the skin. So I cannot wait to give this a try. I don't think I've actually tried this one. I've tried a couple of moisturizers from them, but I don't think I've tried this one. And last but not least is this Imperial Leather Foam Burst. I love getting stuff like this in beauty boxes. I've said this before, I just think that these kind of products are so useful. I get through such a lot of them. Obviously, I'm always bathing because I'm a bath addict. So I really do love having any kind of bath or body kind of products to pamper myself at night. Yeah, that smells really gorgeous. I love these like foaming, luxurious body washes. They're so nice for bath or shower. So really excited to see that as well. So that is everything from the Glossybox September 2020 edition. I absolutely love the kind of pampering vibe of this month, and I really hope that you guys have liked it too. As I said, I do have a discount code and a link down below to purchase if you do want to get some money off your first Glossybox. Please do hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you all on my next video.